Connect Databox data with Manus AI. Let's set up the Databox MCP connector. To begin, click the Tools button, middle icon, to integrate applications with Manus. Click Manage Connectors to configure your integrations. Click Add Connectors to add a new service. Select the Custom MCP tab to add a new Model Context Protocol connector. Click Add Custom MCP to create a new configuration. Select Direct Configuration to set up the connector manually. Enter the MCP name Databox MCP in the server name field. Enter the Databox MCP server URL in the server URL field. Click Save to apply your configuration. Click the Close button to exit the window. Click the Close button again to return to the main chat. Back in the chat, click the Connect Tools icon to enable your new tool. Toggle on Databox MCP to enable it for this conversation. Type the prompt, connect to Databox MCP, in the chat to connect to Databox. Click the Login button to authenticate with Databox. Click Allow to grant Manus the necessary permissions to access your Databox data. Here we can see the connection was successfully established. Setup complete. You're ready to chat with your data. Visit databox.com, your MCP, and try Databox MCP today.